Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published 6 days ago on August 2nd, 2026, reveals that this study builds an interpretable model to accurately map and decode spoken speech. The paper belongs to the Decoding brainwaves research subfield. Scientists analyze magnetic brain signals recorded while people listen to stories to understand how neurons decode spoken words. Here is the core problem. AI decoders are black boxes. Opaque deep learning models hide which physical brain locations and sound features drive predictions, often confusing neural activity with heartbeats. The paper's main finding is clear brain maps with tiny models. Embedding physical helmet shape into a tiny model matched top decoding accuracy while pinpointing specific language regions in the brain. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 illustrates how the model processes raw brain signals through factorized spatial and temporal branches. Spatial filtering combines multi-channel brain recordings into distinct spatial channels so that each branch isolatedly targets a specific neural source. Next, the adaptive envelope extractor applies temporal filtering to extract neural rhythms, followed by rectification to capture signal amplitude. Finally, these processed features flow directly into the main decoding network to reconstruct speech. Figure 2 outlines the full model pipeline connecting three-dimensional brain geometry to high-level speech representations. First, spatial attention maps raw sensor signals onto 270 virtual channels using spherical harmonic functions. Next, a subject-specific layer compresses these into 25 interpretable branches, where depth-wise temporal filters extract neural dynamics over a 150 millisecond window. Finally, a compact convolutional decoder processes these signals to generate a magnetoencephalography embedding, aligned with wave-to-vec audio targets. Figure 6 displays the 12 largest spatial and temporal clusters learned by the model, showing how brain activity maps onto specific locations and frequency spectra. Each column outlines a single cluster's sensor topography, temporal response over time, frequency content in hertz, and mapped cortical activity across both brain hemispheres. The cortical source maps highlight strong engagement in auditory processing regions, which confirms that the model's learned weights align with established speech perception networks. Figure 7 evaluates how 19 speech features contribute to decoding accuracy through paired signal replacement, testing which speech properties drive the model. Removing neural activity during silence, high loudness, vowels, and acoustic onsets causes the largest drop in retrieval rank. Overall, 15 features show a statistically significant positive effect, because preserving feature-related brain signals keeps retrieval accuracy higher. Conversely, random word lists produce a negative effect, showing that speech without sentence structure carries less usable neural information. Table 1 demonstrates that shrinking decoder complexity preserves high speech retrieval accuracy while dramatically lowering parameters. The main LISA model achieves 40% top 1 retrieval accuracy. This setup uses under 500,000 trainable parameters. By comparison, previous baseline architectures require nearly 10 million parameters. Additionally, reducing target audio dimensions down to 12 maintains comparable overall performance. Wrapping up, key takeaways stand out. Embedding physical geometry into decoders drastically reduces model parameters while maintaining high accuracy, transforming black boxes into interpretable tools for neuroscience. This advances compact, non-invasive brain-computer interfaces that are both accurate and explainable. That wraps up this look at neural speech decoding. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.